Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Facebook Sales Tools. In this lesson, we're going to talk about connecting your Shopify account to your Facebook page. Let's get started. When you sell online, a great tool for handling your marketing and payments, securing checkouts and shipping is to use Shopify. It is possible to connect it to your Facebook page so that your customers can be redirected to your e-commerce website and check out the products that they like to purchase on your site. Here are the requirements that you will need. First, you must have a Facebook page linked to your business manager, an ad account, and a Facebook pixel created. Next, start creating a Shopify account if you haven't created one yet. It's free to use for 14 days. If you want to continue using Shopify, the monthly fee is as low as $29 per month. On Shopify's website, input your email address, then create your store. Follow the steps to set up your store. Once you're done, you'll be able to have your own Shopify dashboard. Under Sales Channel, click the plus icon. You will see a pop-up window to add a sales channel. Look for Facebook. Update your sales channel. Using Shopify, you can sell your products on Facebook, Instagram, or create free and paid ads on Facebook. Now choose to set up on Facebook Shop. Connect your Facebook account. You will see a pop-up window to access your Facebook account. Click Continue. Next, choose Continue as your account name on Facebook. Then click OK. Now your Facebook account is connected to your Shopify account. Next, connect the business manager that you can use to manage your business page. Only connect the business manager where you have an admin access to. Then choose the Facebook page. Then enable customer data sharing. This data will help you track orders and analyze your store traffic. If you don't want to enable this feature, you can skip it. If enabled, you can choose 3 levels such as standard, enhanced, or maximum. Let's skip it for now. Next, connect your commerce account, then review and accept the terms. Now click Finish Setup. The next step is to add products on your Shopify account. Add the product details, such as the title, description, then add media. Next, add the pricing. Under Inventory, you can add a stock keeping unit, barcode, track quantity, and quantity available. Next, check the option, this is a physical product. Then add the weight of the product here. Next, add customs information to calculate duties when shipping internationally. Next, choose the country of origin. Under Variants, check this box if the product has multiple options, like different sizes or colors. Then edit the variant's price, quantity, SKU, and barcode. Here's a sample search engine listing preview of your product. Under Product Status, choose Active. Under Organization, input the product type and vendor. Here's an example. If the product is a t-shirt, input shirts as the product, then input the brand for the vendor field. Under Collections, choose Homepage. Next, add tags for your product. Then click Save. Now we have added a product to our Shopify account. Repeat the same process to add more products. Next, you can customize the theme. Click Customize. You can choose the colors for your text, buttons, forms, image overlays, and page. Then the font for headings and buttons and body text. Under Search, you can enable product suggestions. Under Social Media, enable the social sharing options for Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. Then edit your fab icon. Next, make sure that the Add to Cart notification is enabled. Then select images for your banner and logo. Next, select the main content area. Under Order Summary, select the background color. Now click Save. On your Shopify homepage, you can see that your domain is your store name with a myshopify.com custom domain. Having a Shopify Facebook store will allow you to upload unlimited products on your shop, support multiple payment gateways, have Shopify shipping management and order processing, and have a secure and optimized checkout. Connecting a Shopify account to your Facebook page will help you drive more sales to your business. This is an example of a good Shopify store. You can see that they have integrated Shopify into their Facebook account. You may notice that their checkout options have express checkouts like Shop Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, or Amazon Pay. Now that you know about connecting your Shopify account to your Facebook page, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Conclusion. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.